Make the ground shake.
The noun number. Notice the change of form in the second word of each pair below. Tree, trees. Box, boxes. Ox, oxen. Man, men. The first word of each pair denotes one thing. The second word of each pair denotes more than one. A noun that denotes one person or thing is said to be in the singular number. As boy, girl, cow, bird, tree, book, pen, table, chair, etc. But a noun that denotes more than one person or thing is said to be in the plural number. As boys, girls, cows, birds, trees, books, pens, tables, chairs, etc. How plurals are formed. Number 1. The plural of nouns is generally formed by adding s to the singular. As boy, boys, girl, girls, book, books, pen, pens, desk, desks, cow, cows, circle, circles, day, days, roof, roofs, tutor, tutors. Number 2. Nouns ending in s, sh, ch, or x form the plural by adding es to the singular. As class, classes, brush, brushes, branch, branches, kiss, kisses, march, marches, tax, taxes, dish, dishes, watch, watches, box, boxes, guess, guesses, tax, taxes, hero, heroes, princess, princesses, march, marches. Number 3. Most nouns ending in o also forms the plural by adding es. As buffalo, buffaloes, potato, potatoes, negro, negros, mango, mangoes, cargo, cargoes, volcano, volcanoes, Number 4. A few nouns ending in "a" merely add "s", as dynamo, dynamos, canto, cantos, piano, pianos, kilo, kilos, solo, solos, commando, commandos, photo, photos, logo, logos, ratio, ratios, quanto, quantos, stereo, stereos, memento, mementos. Number 5. Nouns ending in "y" preceded by a consonant form their plural by changing "y" into "I" and adding "es", as baby, babies, army, armies, laddie, laddies, story, stories, city, cities, pony, ponies, auntie, aunties, factory, factories. Number 6. Nouns ending in "f" or "fe" form their plural by changing "f" or "fe" into "v" and adding "es", as chief, chiefs, life, lives, love, loves, half, halves, chief, chiefs, wife, wives, wolf, wolves, calf, calves, knife, knives, elf, elves, self, selves, live, leaves, shelf, shelves. Number 7. The nouns dwarf, hoof, scarf, and wolf take either "s" or "ves" in the plural, as dwarfs or dwarfs, hooves or hooves, scarves or scarves. Number 8. Other words ending in "f" or "fe" add "s", as chief, chiefs, gaff, gaffs, safe, safes, proof, proofs, cliff, cliffs, handkerchief, handkerchiefs. Number 9. 7 nouns change their vowels, as man, man, woman, women, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, goose, geese, mouse, mice, louse, lice. Number 10. Nouns that forms their plural by adding "en" to the singular, as ox, oxen, child, children. Dear visitor, don't miss the next class. This section is continuing.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.